cells and blood circulated 2 times in a heart. 1 time I oxygenated blood received by the left artery and goes to the left ventricle, and then deoxygenated blood that goes right artery and then right ventricle, then goes to the lungs for the oxygenation. So double circulation, advantage is there that there is no mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. It is a very efficient process to provide a continuous oxygenated blood and oxygen to the cells and tissue to generate more amount of energy. So that is double circulation. Next, artery and vein. What is their difference? So artery and vein. Wall of artery is thick and blood flow to the high pressure. That artery generally carry oxygenated blood, but one artery, that pulmonary artery, that carry the deoxygenated blood. Artery color is pink because it carry oxygenated blood. Vein, that is thin but less flexible, and it carry deoxygenated blood exception pulmonary vein. Its color is blue. Blue is blue because it carry deoxygenated blood. That mean of pink and blue. Understand? Next, xylem and phloem. Transport. How plant is transport? So there is a plant having that complex tissue that is called conductive tissue in the plant, xylem and phloem. So they are complex tissue because they containing many cells and tissue. Xylem containing tracheids and vessels, that major conductive tissue present in the xylem, conductive cells. So xylem help in the transport of water and minerals to the plants, and phloem that containing tube elements, phloem fiber, phloem parenchyma. So tube element major conductive cells which help in the transport and conduction of food from the leaf to the other parts. So how this xylem help in the transport of food, water molecules? Because in the leaf surface they are containing stomatopore. Stomata containing a dumbbell shape or kidney shape guard cells. These guard cells due to the photosynthesis, during time of photosynthesis, the guard cell containing two wall, the thick and outer and inner wall. Due to the entry of water molecule during the time of photosynthesis, this guard cell's turgidity is increases. Due to the increased turgid, the guard cells are open during the time of transpiration. Stomata closed. Stomata are open during the daytime, but during the night when this water goes outside from the guard cells are flaccid and stomatal pore are closed. So due to the transpiration, that advantage, that generated transpiration pull, that help to movement of water from the downward to upward direction by the that called ascent upside, and provide the water to the upper parts of the plant. And mainly the food is transported in the form of sucrose. So that is a xylem, that is water transport, that is passive, no need of energy, but translocation of the food and flow in the form of sucrose, that is a required energy, that is a active process. Okay. Next we move nephron. So nephron, that is unit of kidney, the help in the removal of nitrogenous waste product present in the blood and excrete out from the body. That nephron having many parts, that is glomerulus, Henle loop, collecting ducts. Henle loop helping the reabsorption of the water and other substance. Glomerulus helping the filtration of the blood, that is called glomerular filtration. So that is structure you can see and their function. Next, hemodialysis. What is hemodialysis? That is the person, the patient or kidney are damaged or fail to removal of toxic substance from the blood, that undergo for the hemodialysis, that is artificial kidney. This helps to the removal of nitrogenous waste and excretory product from the.
9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9.
So that revision is very important. Listen all the things patiently and carefully. Pay attention. Do not don't there is no need of write all the things, but listen it carefully, and those points you think that is important, make it in the notes. Okay, thank you.